Support seats allow you to submit a request for support from the QuantConnect team. A member of your organization can submit a support ticket only if they have a seat. If you do not have a support seat, you can add one from the Support tab. The Bronze seat provides you with email support with up to 4 tickets per month. The Silver seat provides you with email support with faster response times and up to 8 tickets per month. The Silver seat also includes design suggestions. A QuantConnect engineer will help you find the best way to implement your project. The Gold tier provides email support with even faster response times and even more tickets. The Gold tier also offers phone support with a QuantConnect engineer. First, select the tier you would like to add, and then select the member the seat will belong to. And then finally, add the seat. Now you can submit a ticket for support. Fill out the form and attach any relevant backtests or live deployments. You can now view your open support tickets from the Support History tab. Once a QuantConnect team member has replied, you'll be able to see their response in the ticket. Here you can send a reply back. You'll be able to find closed tickets in the Closed section.